Incorporating vitamin C in your skincare routine is so important, especially if you have pigmented skin, uneven skin tone or acne scars. And also choosing the right skincare products for yourself is so important according to your skin type and your skin needs. In today's video, I am going to talk about the PureSense Vitamin C Overnight Sleeping Mask. This has vitamin C, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, and this is going to give you overnight nourishment for illuminated and smooth skin. Vitamin C helps in boosting collagen production of your skin and it gives you a brighter, healthier, evened out skin. Niacinamide helps brightening your skin and prevents signs of aging. Hyaluronic acid gives you a radiant and healthy looking skin. PureSense is an Indian and cruelty-free brand. It's free from parabens, sulfate and nasties. PureSense is a brand that believes that beauty begins with wellness. So all of the products they have, they just don't work great on your skin, but they also feel and smell amazing on the skin. This retails for 590 rupees and you are getting 50 grams of product. It comes with an earth-friendly packaging and it's suitable for all skin type. This sleeping mask is what you need to add to your nighttime skincare routine, and also PureSense products are free from any harmful chemicals. They are earth friendly, they are cruelty free, they are free from parabens, sulfate or any kind of nasties. And also if you want to check, the ingredients are already mentioned on the outer packaging. This sleeping mask has vitamin C along with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid that helps restoring the overall health of your skin, and it helps you enjoying radiant and glowy looking skin. This nourishing sleeping mask helps repairing dull and tired skin to make it smooth and soft, and also it provides an intense dose of hydration to the skin. As it has niacinamide that deeply moisturizes your skin without blocking your pores and maintains healthy and glowing skin. Niacinamide in this overnight treatment mask keeps the skin smooth and moisturized. Hyaluronic acid retains the moisture of your skin and make it soft and plump, and also it promotes soft, glowing and rejuvenated skin. This beautiful hydrating lightweight sleeping mask is surely a must-have, so you wake up with rejuvenated and glowy looking skin. All you have to do is, after cleansing and toning your face, apply an adequate amount of the PureSense anti-aging sleeping mask on your face as well as on your neck. Leave it for overnight and the very next morning just wash it off with a very gentle cleanser. Okay, all of the product details and links are mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out, and also don't forget to let me know in the comment section below what is your favorite sleeping mask. I would love to know that. So yeah guys, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell so that every single time I upload a video you will get notified and you don't miss out on anything. Please do subscribe to my channel. It's for free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.